So hello, welcome to visit our company. This is the office building. This is the stock warehouse. So let's go to the first shop, the manufacturing assembly shop. This is the processing. And this is the spare parts warehouse. Some spare parts when it's ready, we put here the rollers, the embossing rollers, and only standard parts. And this is also the spare parts. Belt, different sizes, belt. Let's go to the toilet paper rewinding machine area. This is the toilet paper rewinding machine. The machine head, the seam, not already completed now. The machine head, the continuous device, the glue laminated part, not finished. And then this is the glue laminated parts. Jumbo roll stand. So this is the board, the rack, not ready. This is the rubber roller, just the back. You can see the perforating. All these are in toilet paper rewinding. This is toilet paper rewinding machine 2000 model. It's wait for the electric installation. The jumbo roll stand. Oh, this is two embossing roller. Pattern 1, pattern 2. The rubber roller is not installed yet. And this is the another side. All these are not ready, not completely. And then there's some rollers for the jumbo roll stand and the pneumatic lifting device cylinder. Perforating. It is the motor. This is the motor. And this is the ammeter, pressure, to show the pressure. It is in the machine for the electric also. Electric and air. Jumbo roll. And this is also installed single embossing pattern. Single roller, not the rubber roller is not installed now. This is also another side of providing machine, but it's for the glue laminated cylinder. This is 2008 model. 2800. This is also the rewinding machine 2000 in 3 meters model. Highest level. Let me find ruler measurement. The glue continue glue lamination, and then this is the glue laminated parts. You can see that the embossing roller is installed. This is a dots to dots embossing roller, and the closed glue laminated device. You can see that it can protect the glue. And the general vise is wider 3 belt. This is the motor. We just back work, the staff back work. Here, I found my ruler. This is the highest level. You can see the jumbo roll. You can see the jumbo roll vise. You can see the glue laminated. You can see the glue laminated diameter. The most highest level 395, diameter 395. Very big roller. Very big roller. You can let's see that about 395. Just this is the bottom. Bottom also this big size, so you can imagine. You can check. It's hard to measure it by the ruler now, but it is really a very big, the highest level. Very big roller. This is a rubber roller. This is a continuous device. And this part also, this part is the glue laminated. This is also the dots to dots embossing. This is the max 1,500. Oh no! It seems that it also 2000 model. And this is to 1,500 model, a smaller one, the most smaller one. This one, and this one is 1,050, and this one is 1,050 with the continuous glue lamination. All these are the same, not ready, finished. You can see the rollers. Rollers. Spare parts. So most of the time we prepare the spare parts ready and then put around its own machine. And this is an electric cabinet. Just installed and finished the wear length, and it will be put in the cabinet. This is the belt. The model. All of our machine with the independent motor to control its own jumbo roll stand. You can see our wall board thickness. This is the machine height wall board. So this is the complete board, and it's heavy enough and strong enough to load such big rollers and to make the machine more heavy to support the high, more stable. This is the general stand also arrived. So this is the napkin machine. This is the semi-automatic napkin machine. Also is under instruction, under manufacture. Jumbo roll stand. It's a colorful printing. You can see that there are. It is not finished, but also the closed glue laminated, the closed color printing. This is the roller with the web guide. It can paste your logo on set with the measure. 2 colors printing, 1, 2, and then this is the drying device. So when the paper goes through with the color of the ink, it will be a little white. So then go to the dryer to dry the paper to make the printing more beautiful, and then go to the embossing roller. The embossing roller here, and then go to the folding, and go another folding. Use this to do another folding, and then go to the bandsaw cutting, and then go out. So this is the napkin semi-automatic napkin machine operation parts. So now this is the fully automatic napkin tissue machine. We have put 2 side napkin machine. This napkin machine is model 280. After folding is 140. This is the 1 side and 2 side. So this is semi-automatic. Semi-automatic means that when you paper folding, you need to take out the paper by your hand to the packing machine or to other parts. But the fully automatic machine means that when you paper out, you can see that jumbo roll stand, and we put this way, the web gather. It's to do the adjustment of the paper in the right position and fold exactly right with each other, and then go to the embossing. The embossing roller, the embossing pattern. Not before it's just the paper. After embossing, it will be like this with your own pattern. If you want to add the color printing, so you can put this part between here, and then you will also have the fully automatic machine with the color printing, and then folding, and then it put out the slide, the jumbo rolls, the bandsaw sliding, and then take out. You can see that it is something like counting. So 100 like this, 100 one stack, and then use this part to separate. The separate one by this, and then it is automatic out to transfer to the belt and to the packing machine. Also, why we have 2 sides of napkin machine? Because the packing machine speed is very fast. Because this size and height is larger, it's about 60 to 80 bags per minute. But if you have the smaller height, it can reach about 100 to 120 bags per minute. 2-side napkin machine can match the packing machine speed. It can increase your production capacity. And this is that is the operation panel, and this is another side of the, and we cooperate with the sensor to tracking to not to go through to the packing machine automatically. So this is the packing machine. The packing machine, you can that the napkin come out and then go to the packing machine and then to pack to the final single bag. This is the packing machine panel. Let's go to see it clearly. Packing machine, 2-side napkin machine, fully automatic. No need people transfer by hand. It is can separate and counting and transfer automatic to the belt and then to the packing machine. This is the packing machine fill and packing machine side. So the packing machine can adjust different mode to pack the different height and different size. It can be an adjustment and then come out. So tomorrow we will take this line and then I will show you a video to see that. And this part is the fully automatic glue laminated unfold hand tool machine, automatic transfer, automatic load. This is the one jam roll stand. Unfold machine has only one jam roll stand and a glue laminated device. Also the very big diameter embossing roller. And this is the inside for the automatic separator and counting. This is the unfold machine, hand tool, unfold hand tool. This is some ready machine in stock napkin machine. And then we go to the next part. This is our V-fold facial tissue machine. So you can see that this is a jumbo roll stand. This is the sliding cutter, and this is the folding inside, upper cutter inside. You can see that, and this is the embossing pattern. This is the sliding. This is the two lines machine, 3-side 2 lines machine, different embossing pattern. Yeah. Another one. Sliding cutter, also with the cylinder to automatic adjust the tension. And then this part is the manual bandsaw and auto bandsaw machine area. The bandsaw machine. And this part is the 5 kilogram jumbo roll sliding machine. This is the sliding cutter. This is the perforating, and this is the embossing pattern and the jumbo stand. So this is the semi-automatic machine, only to do the bigger one. And this is the pneumatic shaft to support the large diameter. This area. And this is, in fact, this is a jumbo roll standing machine. So this is already ready, but the customer is not delivered yet. So this is the new 7-lines automatic separating and folding machine. This is my customer's machine. It is under instruction, not ready yet. I think at the end of this month it will be ready. So this is the, also it is the inner side for 2 lines. You can see it. The forklift. This is the 7-lines machine. Only install one machine. Also, this is 6-side machine. All the semi-automatic. This is a new, the vacuum fan. So for about 5-lines machine, we use the larger vacuum fan. Vacuum fan is to absorb the paper inside. This is the spare parts. This is the edge embossing roller. Edge embossing. You can see that. the rollers. Almost installed it. Sliding cutter. This is the 7-lines machine. Semi-automatic. Not ready, not semi-automatic. This is the 3-lines machine. It is already ready. We fold facial tissue machine. The sliding cutter with the meter. And the embossing, steel to steel embossing. A panel, operation panel. And the inside, the speed adjustment. And the 2 jumbo roll stand, 1, 2. One paper is go directly to the first front. Another layer paper is here from the back. And one is from the one. You can see that the back jumbo roll paper is go directly here, and here inside. And this paper is from here, and here. You can see here and inside, and the inside, and then folded here, and folded together here, and then output together. So output together like this, and this is the paper. You can see. Here. This is the sliding cutter. When testing, we not sliding. This is the 3-lines machine. So let's go to the next wear part. So most of our machine is processing by our own side for the board. So we can control the quality of the iron plate. Iron part is embossing by processing by ourselves. You can see the board. You can see the quality. We can control the quality. And this is the machine, processing machine. This is the grinding machine. CNC grinding machine. So this part is processing the before the machine cutting. The most rollers are processing by ourselves. We can control the processing accuracy. You can see here board. Oh, this is the glue laminated board. You can see our glue laminated board is very thick, about 5-6 thickness. So the more bigger diameter embossing glue laminated roller need more strong board to support. Let's back to the let me find some. Let's back to see the board. About 5 here, and this is clearly. You can see about 5 millimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 50 millimeter. So you can see that the biggest diameter jumbo roller. This one, the biggest 395 diameter embossing roller, need about the strong plate, 5 centimeter board. The whole board is one pieces. to strong enough to loading it. Otherwise, it is too heavy. It is too thick. It cannot match each other. So please pay more attention to the other supplier to compare not only the price, but also the board, also the thickness of the board they're using. Right? So this one is the cover, but this one is really the board to support such bigger rollers. So let's just note it so we come back. So we go to the next, go on. This is also the CNC machine to processing the rollers. Most rollers are processing by ourselves. We can control the precision accuracy. You can see the grinding machine. And this is the board side and board file. This is the drilling machine, drilling the holes in this machine. So this is the roller we're using. You can see that some rollers you can see directly. The roller is also the thickness, the 3. As usual, you can only see that there's a roller, and you can see this. You can see this roller. You can see this, but you don't focus on the roller thickness. So, as we suggest you, if you use this stick is the solid stick. So some rollers we use the solid stick also. And this is about 5. This is about 5. We use the glue laminated and also something others. Different machine. The bigger machine use the bigger diameter and the bigger thickness. You can see this is smaller diameter, but also very thickness. And this machine, the CNC machine. The thickness, you can see it is processing. This is the right and some parts. What we want to see that most of the parts are processing by our own self. And we can control the sizes, we can control the quality, we know what board we use, we know what iron stick we use. Now we go to the last part of our factory. This is the ready machine stock warehouse. This is the accumulator, log accumulator for the rewinding machine, and the automatic machine. All these are ready for delivery. Napkin machine, facial machine, and we already pack it at the packing machine. This is the glue laminated part and glue laminated machine, toilet paper rewinding machine, the conveyor, and this is, you can see that 2 large size. It is a 3,000 toilet paper rewinding machine already packaged. This is 2 manual bandsaw because of my customer, so I know it. This is the All these are ready. This is the jumbo sliding machine. The conveyor, the packing machine, the conveyor. Most of my customer. Oh, this is also very big. This is also 3 meters toilet paper and maxi sliding machine. And this is the jumbo roll, maxi roll, automatic cutting bandsaw cutting machine. This is the machine head. This is the machine head. This is the machine board loading. Maxi roll, manual, maxi roll, bandsaw cutting machine. This is the toilet paper rewinding machine. The single embossing pattern. You can see rubber roller, and inside is embossing pattern. And this is the jumbo roll, which we use to testing our machine. Some carton box and pallet, wooden pallet. So this is the boss car, my dream car, boss car. So now let's back to the office building. Welcome you to visit us.